Hello, everyone. It is Pat, and I thought it's Saturday night, Saturday the 10th of March. Oh, and there's my cat Angel jumping up in front of me. Sorry about that. I just, felt inspired to jump on with a quick reading for the weekend from the fairies and maybe a card to pull from the goddesses. And my kitty cat's gonna make her way in front of us right now. My little kitty Angel. So, anyways, I went ahead and shuffled a couple, and out came golden opportunity and make music. So get out there, jam with some people, cut a rug. But it's about working with, that's what's up for this weekend, going on for this weekend, using music to uplift you. It's the weekend, it's time to kick back and have some fun. So music is a big part of that, whether you're at home even for an evening in, playing some nice music, having some quiet time to yourself, or whether you're going out to, a local place to go see a band or something like that. Maybe you're even just getting together with jam with your friends. It's about music and using it to uplift your spirit. But there's also a golden opportunity wrapped in with this. This card says your prayers have been answered. So in some way, it signifies something going on this weekend where you get an opportunity, and it's a golden one. So this is like, it doesn't mean you won't ever get a good opportunity again, but there's a golden opportunity that's going to be presented to you. Okay, so maybe it's someone that you meet. Who knows? But that's what's on board. Now let's see. I might pick one from the angels, gods, and goddesses too, just for the heck of it. Why not, right? All right. What's up for this weekend? Okay, Goddess of Compassion comes up. And it says, self-criticism is diminishing your sense of self-worth. So, be good to yourself, okay? It's a reminder not to be, sometimes in the way some of us talk, we can sometimes in a way be self-depreciating. We highlight our mistakes, we are in some way within ourselves, we may think of ourselves as less than, but this card is about having compassion for yourself, okay? And looking at all that you have to give. So anyways, people may be extending compassion to you. You may finally be doing it for yourself, but this is in the works this weekend. It's very much in a way about being gentle with yourself within your own mind and heart, okay? Giving yourself the compassion that you would give to somebody else if you are, depending on the situation that you're in your life right now. So those are our cards. Go out and have a good time. The fairies are always about, kicking it up. That's how they are. They're playful, okay? And the goddess is about being good to yourself. So have a great weekend. I'll be back towards the end of the weekend, either Sunday or Monday, with the reading for the week. Take care, everyone.